Hello everyone. Welcome to the English Time. I am Lily. Today we are going to learn how to introduce yourself in English. When you meet someone new, what do you say? How do you start talking? Today I will show you exactly what to say. Simple sentences. Simple words. Real conversation. Are you ready? Let's go.
Scene 1. Greeting and saying your name.
Hi. I am Lily. Nice to meet you.
Hello. I am Alex. Nice to meet you too.
It is a lovely day today, isn't it?
Yes. The weather is really beautiful. I love coming to this park.
Me too. I come here every morning.
Oh, really? I just started coming here this week.
Oh, welcome then. I hope you like it here.
Thank you so much. You are very kind.
So, Alex, is that your full name?
My full name is Alexander. But everyone calls me Alex.
Oh, I love that name. And my full name is Lily Rose.
That is a beautiful name.
Haha, thank you, Alex.
Scene 2. Where are you from?
So, Lily, where are you from?
I am from London. And you?
I am from Manchester. But I moved here 2 years ago.
Oh, really? Do you like living here?
Yes, I love it. It is a very nice city. Very friendly people.
I agree. I have lived here for 5 years now.
5 years. So you know this city very well.
Yes, I know all the best places. The best cafes, the best parks.
Oh, wonderful. Maybe you can show me sometime.
Of course. I would love that.
Scene 3. Your age and your job.
So, Lily, what do you do?
I am a teacher. I teach children at a school near here. What about you?
I work at a hospital. I am a nurse.
Oh, that is amazing. That is a very important job.
Thank you. I really love my work. And teaching is a wonderful job too.
Yes, I love it. Every day is different.
How long have you been a teacher?
For 3 years now. And you? How long have you been a nurse?
4 years. I really enjoy it.
That is great. Can I ask, how old are you, Alex?
I am 26 years old. And you?
I am 24.
Oh, you are younger than me.
Just a little.
Scene 4. Daily routine and why they come to the park.
So, Lily, do you come to this park every day?
Yes, every morning. It is part of my daily routine.
Really? What time do you usually come?
I come at 7:30 in the morning. I walk for 30 minutes and then I sit here for a while.
That is a lovely routine. I want to do that too.
It is really good for you. Fresh air in the morning makes you feel so good.
I agree. So why do you like coming to the park specifically?
I love the trees and the quiet. It helps me think clearly before work.
Oh, that makes sense. I come here because I like to run in the morning.
Oh, you run. How many days a week?
About 20 minutes. Not too long, but it makes me feel great.
Yes. Exercise in the morning gives you energy for the whole day.
Exactly. And the park is so peaceful. Much better than running on the road.
Totally. I love the sound of the birds here in the morning.
Me too. It is like a different world from the busy city.
Yes, that is exactly why I come here every day.
Scene 5. Hobbies and Interests.
So, Lily, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love reading books. And I enjoy cooking too. What about you?
I love music. I play the guitar.
Oh, really? That is so cool. I always wanted to learn guitar.
I can teach you sometime.
Oh, I would love that. And I can teach you how to cook.
That is a great deal.
Do you play any sports?
Yes. I love football. I play every weekend with my friends. Do you like sports?
I like walking and swimming. I go swimming every Saturday morning.
Oh, I love swimming too. Which swimming pool do you go to?
The one near the city center. It is very nice and not too crowded.
Oh, I know that one. Maybe I will see you there sometime.
Yes, that would be great.
Scene 6. Ending the conversation and exchanging numbers.
Lily, I have really enjoyed talking to you today.
Me too, Alex. It was so nice meeting you.
I feel like we have a lot in common.
Yes, books, swimming, cooking, we like so many of the same things.
And I still need to learn guitar from you.
Haha, and I need your cooking lessons, Alex.
So listen, can I get your number? I would love to keep in touch.
Of course. My number is 07700,900,123.
Let me save that. Got it. I will send you a message later.
Perfect. And maybe we can meet here again next week?
Yes, I would love that. Same time, same place?
Same time, same place. It is a plan.
Great. It was so lovely meeting you, Lily.
It was lovely meeting you too, Alex. See you next week.
See you next week. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye, Lily.
And that is our lesson for today. Today we learned how to introduce yourself in English. We said hello and shared our names. We talked about where we are from. We shared our jobs and our age. We talked about our hobbies. And we ended the conversation politely and exchanged numbers. All with simple English. Simple questions. Simple answers. Now it is your turn. Next time you meet someone new, try just one sentence. Start with, "Hi, my name is." That is enough for the first time. If this lesson helped you, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the English Time. We make new English lessons every week just for you. Tell us in the comments, how do you say hello in your language? Write your answer below. We love reading your comments. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone.